More examples by factorization method. 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. So 3x square minus 2 root 6x can be written as minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. So product of first and last term is 6x square and addition of middle two terms is minus 2 root 6x. So what is common from first two terms? Group the terms, first two terms and next two terms. Common is root 3x, uncommon part is root 3x minus root 2 minus what is the next common part? Root 2 from the next two terms. So it is root 3x minus root 2. Now which bracket is common? Root 3x minus root 2. Uncommon part root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So you have factors as root 2 by root 3 and root 2 by root 3. These are the factors. Now consider the last term. Like this you have to study this question number 9, 10 and 11. I'll explain question number 12. M square minus 11 is equal to 0. M square minus 11 can be written as root 11 square, which is equal to 0. So we know a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b is equal to 0. Now apply this. Each bracket is equal to 0. So value of m is root 11 or value of m is minus root 11. These are the factors of given quadratic equation. Solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square method. So let us consider the example. Is x square plus 10x plus 2 is quadratic equation or not? Solve this equation. So add suitable term to this x square plus 10x so that it forms a complete square. So x square plus 10x plus that term is k. When we add k, it forms a complete square. What is that complete square? X plus a whole square. Now x square plus 10x plus k is equal to x plus a whole square is x square plus twice ax plus a square. Now compare 10x is equal to 2ax. X is getting cancelled. So 10 is equal to 2a. Therefore a is equal to 5. But value of k is a square. So k is equal to a square. By equating the coefficients, we have a is equal to 5 and k is equal to 5 square, that is 25. Now your original equation is x square plus 10x plus 2. Now which is equal to x plus 5 whole square minus of 25 plus 2. So 5 square is added and 5 square is subtracted. So this will get the form x plus 5 whole square minus of 23. Minus 25 plus 2 is minus 23. Now can you solve this equation? X square plus 10x plus 2 equal to 0. Try it now. Now you have x plus 5 whole square minus of 23. It can be written as root 23 whole square is equal to 0. So it is a square minus b square, that is a minus b and a plus b is equal to 0. Now equate each bracket is equal to 0. So what you have, x is equal to, transfer all the terms to right side, minus 5 minus 23. X is equal to minus 5 plus root 23 or x is equal to minus 5 minus root 23. You can solve it by another way also, that is a square minus b square is equal to 0. So x plus 5 whole square is equal to, transfer complete number to right side, that is root of 23 whole square. So what you have, root 23 square, x plus 5 is equal to root 23 or x plus 5 is equal to minus root 23. So x is equal to, transfer this 5 to the right side, minus 5 plus root 23 or x is equal to minus 5 minus root 23.